Para kay Sir Darius ng Iloilo. So ENC 2102 ang code niya. John Wick 3 with markings, TTI markings. Dun sa kabila meron siyang Combat Master markings, pero hindi na natin siya tinanggal, itong sticker with STA markings, and then ito yung serial number niya. So yung slide is metal, and then frame niya is metal with under rail na rin for attachment. Tapos yung front sight niya is fiber optic, and then threaded yung outer barrel. Price nito is 5,300. So nasa ano siya, budget meal folder, and then may magwell na rin siya. Ayan. Okay, so itetest natin.
Good afternoon po.
Okay boss, good afternoon.
Meron po kayo yung ano?
Chrono check.
Mr. Hop.
Ayan, nasa 300 plus FPS. Yun. So capacity 26 rounds, standard magazine. So for details, PM kayo sa page namin, Marisabi PH.